Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing my past and present mindset on how I view customers that went to a competitor to get their car detailed and how I currently look at my local competition. I'm going to start by sharing my past mindset on these two topics first. During your first 2 years of starting your business, it's a challenge for everyone to try and do their best to succeed. And with that in mind, we all have to do our homework on local detail shops to look at what services they offer and how much they are charging to get a sense of the market. Once this is established, we can choose between two options how to price our own services. You either charge the same or you charge more because you believe in yourself that you can offer higher quality work, better customer service, good communication to answer any potential questions, and you're able to help your customers become more knowledgeable by sharing your knowledge. During my first 2 years, every shop that was local to me, I viewed as someone I needed to beat. Now, should I say it's because I'm a very competitive person, or it was coming from a scarcity mindset because I was new to the market? Now that I finished my 5th year, reflecting back, it was a combination of both. I had this fire, this drive within me that I wanted to be successful so bad that I would do anything to get it. Because of this naive, unexperienced mindset, I had a negative picture on customers that initially had their car detailed at another shop. In my mind, I'm here to take out the competition, not to support them by cleaning up their mistakes. Fast forward 5 years. I'm grateful for all the customers that chose me out of all the shops that's available to choose from. I learn as I go with each year that passes by. Every year that I finish, I'm able to help out so many people, make new friends, along with new experiences to learn and grow from. That also includes meeting the owners of the local detail shops as well. Now, sometimes my schedule is booked out for weeks, months, and I get phone calls asking if I'm able to work on their cars the same day, or the next day, or the next week. I tell them I'm sorry, we're booked out, but here's what I can do for you. Because I'm able to give my potential customers a referral to a shop that I trust, that I'm able to put my name and reputation on the line, they are grateful for the extra effort. Even though I was not able to service their cars, I was still able to provide a above and beyond customer service to them at the present time to leave a good positive feedback for their interaction with me. The owner of this brand new car, Ron, had his Subaru paint corrected and ceramic coated using Ceramic Pro at another detail shop in the city. He reached out to me asking if I'm able to safely wash ceramic coated cars without further damaging it. At the time, I said yes, and because I wasn't the one that corrected it and coated it, I curiously asked what coating is on it. The very same person 5 years ago would have probably told him, ask the shop that worked on your car to maintain it for you. Now, in the present moment, I'm honored and grateful that this customer, who is also a good friend now, trusted me more over the other shop to help care for his car and work together as a team. We get along really well and our conversations flow easily, and we have a lot in common with our interests, our values, beliefs. I now maintain his car on a monthly schedule, and that's something I could have potentially lost out on if I was the same stubborn person as I was 5 years ago. If you guys enjoy these business operation content videos, I need you guys to smash that like button, drop a comment or questions, and hit that subscribe button. These actions might not seem like very significant, but it will snowball and add up over time. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Hey Ron, if you're watching this, thank you. I appreciate you so much.